Good morning, folks. It's Crazy Ira again from Firkins Chrysler Jeep and Dodge in Bradenton. I just took in a gorgeous 2013 Jeep Wrangler, rock lobster in color, 3.6 liter Pentastar engine, which is the preferred engine. As you can see, it's a sport model, alloy wheels. It's got 4-wheel disc anti-lock brakes. This thing is automatic transmission. It's a 4-wheel drive. This thing only has 42,690 miles on it. It's got air conditioning. It's got tilt and cruise, AM/FM, single CD model. It is the soft top, as you can see. Black interior, cloth, seating for 4. It will be a certified car. It's Jeep Adventure Days, folks. You gotta call me, Ira Salem, 845-304-3914. This car will not last. Call me.